Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the Euro USD price chart to see what is in store in the coming days and weeks ahead. So first things first, I take a top-down approach to analyzing the markets. I look at the higher time frames, monthly and weekly, and then zoom into the lower time frames, look for evidence of momentum slowing down and entry signals to take and enter buy or sell positions. So looking at the monthly charts on the Euro USD, we can pretty much see we're in a range bound market, kind of in this range between 105,500 and 111,500. Just going from the closes, we do have the 104,500 low and the 112,500 high. You can include them if you want, but I'm just kind of getting this range here. So we did get the break and close above 111,500 in August, and the market did continue to move up past that level last month, but again there's been not much follow through in it, and then we've had this huge sell-off over the last few weeks. So we're still in this range on the monthly charts. Zooming into the weekly, you can see this range a lot clearer, and we can just adjust it to make it look a bit more neat. That's the kind of range there. Right, for short-term setup, again, long-term I do suspect will come down to the bottom of the range in the coming weeks. But short-term, meaning the next day or two or the next week, I expect some sort of reversal. And the reason being, I want to analyze the last leg up, which is here. We want to analyze that and see if there's any short-term opportunities on the retracement of it. So one thing I want to firstly draw here is just I want to connect these lows and draw that diagonal support. We want to also draw the support at the August low, which is here. And we kind of can see we're at this kind of conjunction point. Now we want to also, what you'll also notice if you draw from this low, just draw this move up, that we're at a fib level also at that low on the weekly charts here. So that support August low lines up with a Fibonacci 78.6 level. Now, that's what I'm seeing on the weekly. Now, how am I going to get into this? Just want to back up my analyst that a reaction, a buy trade, the buy setup will be good where we are now. Is if we look at the daily chart, we want to see if there's any evidence of price action slowing down, momentum slowing down. And we kind of read that by the following. Can't really see it on the daily chart, but there is a very, very overextended grinding down move on the euro. We can see exactly where we are now. We got a huge impulse move up from there in August. So I do expect some buyers to come in at this level. So we can't really see the evidence of momentum slowing down on the daily chart. If we zoom in, the MACD is still pretty open. If we zoom into the 4-hour chart, you can see a little bit of, we can see the divergence happening on the MACD. Okay. Price has been moving down. The MACD has been moving up. Okay. Starting to get more buyers come in as they approach this level. So I do expect a short-term buying opportunity to happen here. You kind of on the 4-hour chart, you can see kind of change of momentum as price grinds down to this support conjunction levels here, diagonal support, horizontal support. So what I'm looking for now is we could draw that trend line on the 4-hour chart. What I would like to see is a break of this trend line and then wait for the first leg down, first correction, and then look for buying opportunities here. So I'm going to wait for the trend line to break, then watch for a leg down for price to come down and test the area that broke the trend line. I will be using my TRFX King indicator to look for buying opportunities. They get a buy signal yesterday on it as soon as it hit the first attempt at the support level. But I'm going to wait for the first leg down on the correction and wait for the next signal to occur on it. Targets. Just remove these drawings. Go back out to the daily. Like I said, I do expect it to move down to the bottom of the range, which is down towards 105 in the coming weeks. But a short-term correction, just given kind of this overextended move to the downside, I do expect a retracement. This resistance area here would be a good area to target. So what I want to see is this, and then a move up to here, and that would be what I'd be kind of looking to see happening over the coming days and weeks. Like I explained, wait for the trend line to break, wait for the first correction down, look for a buy signal, then trade this up to this resistance level, and then see what the market is saying, see what price action is saying around 109,500. Stop loss, again, will depend on where I get in, but it's likely going to be down under the 106,500 or maybe a little bit lower. So it all depends on where I get in. So that's how I see the Euro USD playing out. I will do a written description in below this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Happy trading, and I shall speak to you very soon.